Today I will show you how to make a few amazing seafood dishes without the hassle of complicated seasoning.
Hi everyone, it's Helen here. As you know, I'm currently living in Da Nang, a city famous for its fresh seafood just a few steps from the beach. Whenever I crave seafood, I just head to the market or sit down at one of the seaside seafood restaurants to enjoy a seafood feast with my friends. Sound like a dream life, right? But today I'm gonna share with you a little secret, especially for busy folks, on how you can treat yourself and your family to a seafood feast just like this right at home, no matter where you are in the world. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive right in.
The secret lies in 3 ready-made sauces from Seaking: black pepper sauce, spicy butter sauce, and seafood grilling marinade. Today I will show you how to make a few amazing seafood dishes without the hassle of complicated seasoning. Let's get cooking! Let's start with crab in black pepper sauce. First, place the crab in an ice bath to put it to sleep. Then remove the apron and shell. Clean out the gills and cut the body in half if you wish. Steam the crab until the shell turns a vibrant orange red. In a pan, melt a tablespoon of butter. Then saute some minced garlic and shallot until fragrant. Add 1 pack of Seaking black pepper sauce and 1/3 cup of water. Simmer gently. Then toss the steamed crab into the sauce. Since the sauce is perfectly seasoned, there's no need to add anything else. Just toss and cook. The spicy kick of black pepper and the crab's natural sweetness are absolutely irresistible. Next, we have Spicy Butter Sea Snails, an addictive dish where buttery aroma meets the gentle heat that wakes up all your taste buds. Soak the sea snails in water with a few chilies. The snails will spit out any sand water. Place them in a pot with a few smashed lemongrass stalks and a dash of water. Then cook for about 4 minutes on high until the snails start to open. In a pan, add 1 pack of Seaking spicy butter sauce and bring to a simmer. Then toss the snails and steamed corn in for about 2 minutes. Done and ready to serve. Finally, we have grilled clams with seafood marinade. Rich, smoky, and perfect for any gathering. Just brush the sauce over the clams. Let them marinate for about 15 minutes, then grill or pop them in the air fryer. So easy, right? The grilling sauce delivers a perfect balance of spicy, salty, and sweet flavors. It not only deeply infuses the seafood, but also creates a luscious coating that makes each bite more flavorful and aromatic. The sauce goes well with any kind of seafood, such as prawns, shrimps, fish, etc. And just like that, your homemade seafood feast is ready!
No matter where you are in Vietnam or anywhere around the world, with Seaking seafood sauces, whipping up a seafood party at home is a total breeze. I'll put the link to where you can get these sauces in the description box below. Order now to experience these amazing flavors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and come back next week for more amazing recipes like this. See you next time. Bye!